In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert stars and banners in Excel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find these shapes and how to place them, so your spreadsheets can highlight key numbers, call out notes, or add a bit of polish. First, open your workbook and look toward the top of the screen for the ribbon. That's the toolbar that runs across Excel. Click the Insert tab. This tab is where Excel keeps tools for adding things to your sheet, like charts, images, and shapes. If your window is small and you don't immediately see Insert, try maximizing Excel or expanding the ribbon so all the tabs are visible. Next, in the Insert tab, find and click the Shapes button. It usually sits in the Illustrations group. When you click it, a panel drops down showing a big gallery of shape categories: lines, rectangles, basic shapes, and more. We'll be using this menu to get to the stars and banners. In the gallery, scroll until you see the section labeled Stars and Banners. Depending on your screen size, you may need to move your mouse down the list or use the scroll wheel to reveal more options. You'll recognize this section by familiar icons like 5-point stars, explosions, and ribbon-style banners. If you're not sure what a shape is, hover your mouse over it and a tooltip will show the shape's name. That makes it easy to confirm you're picking exactly what you want. Now choose the star or banner you'd like to insert. Click once on the shape in the gallery. Your cursor will change to a crosshair on the worksheet. Click and drag to draw the shape to the size you want. If you're inserting a star and want it to stay perfectly proportioned, hold the Shift key while you drag. After you release the mouse, the shape appears selected, and you'll see sizing handles around it. Drag those handles to resize, and use the green rotation handle to rotate. Many stars and banners include small yellow adjustment diamonds. Drag those to fine-tune points or the ribbon's curl. When a shape is selected, the Shape Format tab appears on the ribbon. Use it to change the fill color, outline, and effects, or pick a quick style for a one-click polished look. To add text, just start typing while the shape is selected, then format the text like you would in a cell. You can move the shape by dragging its border, and on Windows, holding Alt while you drag snaps edges neatly to the cell grid. That's it. Insert shapes, find stars and banners, and choose the one you want. Save your workbook, and you're done.